What if I told you that when you eat is just as important as what you eat? Imagine your body has a fat-burning switch that automatically flips off the moment the sun goes down. Most people are fighting their own biology by snacking at 9 p.m., effectively locking their belly fat in place. But what happens to your cells, your hormones, and that stubborn midsection when you pull the plug on calories at 6 p.m. sharp? Today, we're looking at the molecular shift that happens when you stop eating with the sun. 1. The premise and the hype. You've likely heard the advice, don't eat after early evening time. It's a common piece of wisdom, often touted for weight loss, better sleep, and even improved digestion. But where does this idea come from, and is there any scientific truth to its impact on that stubborn belly fat? For years, conventional wisdom suggested that calories consumed late at night are more likely to be stored as fat. The theory often goes, your metabolism slows down, you're less active, so those evening snacks just sit there, adding to your waistline. But is that the full picture? Not quite. 2. The circadian rhythm connection. The truth is more nuanced and fascinating, deeply connected to our body's internal clock, the circadian rhythm. This rhythm regulates everything from sleep-wake cycles to hormone release, and yes, even metabolism. Our bodies are designed to be more metabolically active and efficient during the day, when we're exposed to light and generally more active. As evening approaches, our body starts preparing for rest. Hormone levels shift, insulin sensitivity tends to decrease, and melatonin production ramps up. Eating a large meal late at night can essentially throw a wrench into this finely tuned system. Studies have shown that consuming the same number of calories earlier in the day versus later at night can have different metabolic outcomes. Early eating often leads to better glucose control and higher fat oxidation. In simpler terms, your body is better at using the food you eat for energy and burning fat earlier in the day. 3. Intermittent fasting's role. So when you stop eating at 6 p.m., you're essentially creating a longer fasting window. This brings us to the concept of intermittent fasting. While stopping at 6 p.m. isn't a strict intermittent fasting protocol, it shares some of its benefits. Intermittent fasting, like the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, has been extensively studied for its impact on weight loss, particularly belly fat. When you fast, your body depletes its glycogen stores and starts burning stored fat for energy, a process called metabolic switching. This metabolic switch can lead to reduced insulin levels, which is crucial for fat loss. High insulin levels signal your body to store fat, while lower insulin levels encourage it to release and burn fat. So, by extending your overnight fast, you're giving your body a longer period of lower insulin, potentially encouraging fat burning. 4. The calorie deficit is still key. Now, here's the crucial caveat. Simply stopping eating at 6 p.m. isn't a magic bullet if you're still overeating your daily calorie needs during your eating window. While timing matters, the fundamental principle of weight loss remains: you need to be in a calorie deficit. If you pack all your daily calories, and then some, between, say, 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., you might not see the belly fat reduction you're hoping for. What stopping at 6 p.m. often does, however, is naturally reduce your overall calorie intake. Think about it. You're cutting out those evening snacks, desserts, or late-night munchies that often contribute significant, often empty calories. This reduced eating window can make it easier to stay within your calorie goals. So, while the timing offers metabolic advantages, the overall reduction in calorie intake due to a shorter eating window is often a major driver of fat loss. 5. Other benefits beyond belly fat. Beyond just belly fat, stopping eating earlier can offer a host of other health benefits. Improved sleep. Digesting a heavy meal late at night can interfere with sleep quality. When your body isn't working overtime on digestion, it can focus on restorative processes. Better digestion. Giving your digestive system a break can help reduce bloating and improve overall gut health. Enhanced autophagy. This is your body's cellular cleanup process, where it removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Extended fasting periods are known to stimulate autophagy, potentially leading to a range of health benefits. Increased energy levels. Some people report feeling more energetic and clear-headed as their body adapts to burning fat for fuel. So, does stopping at 6 p.m. melt belly fat overnight? No, but does it align your biology with your goals to make fat loss easier? Absolutely. The science is clear. Your body thrives on a rhythm. By closing the kitchen early, you're giving your insulin a rest, your sleep a boost, and your cells a chance to clean house. I want to challenge you. Try the 6 p.m. cutoff for just 5 days this week and see how your energy levels feel the next morning. If you've already tried early time-restricted feeding, drop a comment below. Did it help your bloating? Did you sleep better? Let's start a conversation. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of your health. I'm Nabby, and I'll see you in the next video.